everybody, it's Zach from My Shire Farm. I've got some really exciting news for you. This weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the January 10th through the 12th, Wynola Ranch and My Shire Farm is teamed up again. So if you go to Facebook and go to our auction site, Quail and Supply Auction Group, become a member, and then all you have to do is participate in any auction I'm doing that weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You don't have to win, just participate. You can show up and say hi and encourage or have fun or auction or win or bid or whatever you want to do. And then on Monday, I will take all the names that participated, do a drawing, and you will get a brand new cage from Wynola Ranch. It's a brand new design. It's not even on their website yet. It is a 22-inch cage that's a 4-tier, 4-compartment quail housing unit. It's very, very nice. It'll be up for sale in the next week or two. They're redoing their website. So I'm very excited about that. So make sure that you go to Facebook, join the Quail and Supply Auction Group, and I will see you there this weekend because I have got a ton of eggs that I'm ready to auction off for you. We're going to have pearls, we're going to have jumbo wilds, we're going to have SSCs, which are my favorite. We're going to have all kinds of stuff. And stay tuned because I've got another really big surprise next weekend. We'll see you then. Thanks.